What up YouTube, it's Mama on OBS back at again with another video. In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install the fog lights on the OBS. I also went ahead and finally pulled the trigger on the Valance, on the 454 Valance. This one already came pre-cut. I already have fog lights on my truck. That was a couple mods behind. I made a YouTube channel and I actually cut my own Valance. Try to save, a couple bucks. But I already pulled the trigger. So for the fog lights, you guys, I paid like 90 bucks for the fog lights through eBay. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Now the Valance, I actually paid 60 bucks. I paid $60. I paid 60 bucks at this one shop in Claremont. They're called Patron Automotive. I paid like 60 bucks. I couldn't find it on eBay, bro. On eBay they're going for like 100 or something bucks. That shit wasn't worth it. One thing I am gonna tell you guys, if you guys do end up going to the shop where I bought the Valance from, be careful, because there's this short little Mexican dude that tries to rip you off. I don't know if he's the owner or what, but there's a person in there that speaks English, and he's sitting behind the counter in the computer. I talked to him. He told me 60 bucks. So I came there, and then the short little Mexican dude that helped me, he told me 120. I'm like, what the fuck, bro? Like I called on the phone and they told me 60 bucks. And he was like, oh man, we're out of stock, we gotta order, whoop-de-whoop, but let me see what I could do for you, you know what I mean? I was like, for sure. So, just be careful, always call and write down the prices. That way when you get there you won't forget or something, because that fool tried to come up on me. But yep, I paid 60 bucks. Also, there's a couple, there's another set of fog lights that they sell that don't come with this connector, because of the different one. I went with this one because I had made a previous YouTube video about I bought the 454 SS switch with the harness. Supposedly it's like it's not the original harness, but it's like a plug and play harness basically. I am gonna be showing you guys how to install that, but I'm debating whether if I should show you guys how to install that in this whole video, or if I should make a separate video. We'll see at another video. But yeah, so I'll show you guys the harness right now. I'm gonna just go ahead and then install the I'm gonna install the Valance first, and then I'm gonna do the fog lights. All right, I'll get back to you guys when I'm done with that. All right guys, I already took it off. Damn, bro, she looks naked without it. All right, so basically it's gonna be a size 10 socket, and then where the big holes are at, those are gonna be, that one's gonna be let me check, you guys, hold on. What size was that socket, bro? Hold on, let me, I think that right here. For the big ones, that's gonna be a size 15. The thing is metric. They have all the teeth out and shit. All right, so that's gonna be a size 15. 1, 2. There's gonna be 4 of them. So there's gonna be 4 big ones, size 15. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. And then it's gonna be sorry guys, my bad. Then it's gonna be the size 10 sockets for those small ones. So basically guys, show how it goes. Look. I'm gonna show you guys how this shit goes. So I think they go on top. You know what, bro? No. Okay, these. Wait, did they go on top or they go through the bottom? Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me see if this shit go. You know what? I'm gonna just have them on top. Oh yeah. They go on top for sure. All right. So when you put them, they go on top. And these are gonna screw in to that like that. Look, just like that. So basically, if your OBS has that type of lip, there is gonna come with these things right here. These you are gonna have to take these off. So you gotta take these off, and you gotta enter those in there. That way the bolt can have the thread, because the bumper already has the holes on the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna replace those. I'll put it on. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. I'll be back. Alright, you guys. So I just finished installing the valance with the fog lights, and it came out pretty good. It did take me a while because if you guys never installed fog lights on an OBS truck, then it's a pretty tight fitting where you got to mount the bracket. You gotta mount the bracket, and then you gotta put the screw on top of the. You gotta put the screw from the bottom bumper to the lip to the bracket, and it's a tight space up there for you to tighten it. But I already finished it. I don't know what happened. I realized that I am missing a couple screws to the valance itself, but it's not. It doesn't look loose or nothing. And when I go like that, it's stiff. You know, it's stiff. But you know. Also, I'm gonna. I don't know if I said it in the video already, but I'm gonna leave the link in the description below where I got the fog lights. One thing I do want to mention is the guy sent me the pair, but he sent me two left ones. Like the bracket were the same ones. Luckily, I had my old fog lights already, and I had just swapped out the bracket. I swapped out the bracket. I still have the old ones there. Reason being is because, as you guys can see, they're still hooked up, and the underglow. I forgot to show you guys, but I'm gonna show you guys right now what I did. And I don't remember if I ever showed this in the video, because I made the video, that was a throwback video. But basically, what you guys want to do is this. I went ahead and I got Velcro. I think that's what's called, Velcro. That tape that's like double-sided, and it has like the hard part and it has the soft part to go. Later today, once the sun goes down, because I got hotter, I'm using this, and even though there's clouds and stuff, it's just, the heat's no joke. So what I'm gonna do is, once the sun goes down, I'm gonna go back under and I'm gonna strip mine. I'm gonna make mine longer. So I made mine from right here, technically right here, because this part was like, this part left was a sticky part. So I'm gonna make one from right here, running down probably towards like right here. And now the reason why I did this to this one was because I had already knew that I was gonna go ahead and purchase the valance that comes, the valance that already has like the fog lights pre-cut. And I was gonna buy new fog lights, because the one I got before, I got them from Junior Auto, Santa Ana. I'm not bashing them or nothing, but I bought mine from that shop. I always had problems with them. It was probably a bad batch, I don't know. So I got this from eBay. I still have yet to hook them up, But like I said, once I receive the hood latch to the hood, that way I don't gotta like be like having someone to hold the hood for me. I will make that video and show you guys how to. I'm gonna show you guys, just in case you guys go ahead and purchase the same wiring kit, you know, the same thing that I got, how to hook them up. So I'm gonna just stand by for that, and I'll get back to you guys.
Y en una 454 por San Luis Río Colorado seguido me ven llegar. Cuando hay chance en el trabajo para tirar el relajo, en la morada me gusta andar, quemando llanta como es mi estilo.